Did I tell you I saw a bird when we were shopping today?
Where?
Hmm?
You saw a bird where?
When we were shopping today?
You saw a bird where?
Outside. When we were walking.
At what?
Huh?
At what?
Outside.
What are you talking about? Birds always outside.
No, I know, but I saw one today.
You saw a bird today?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what's the big deal?
It was pretty, and it was blue.
A bird outside? Birds are always outside.
I know, but this one was blue and pretty.
Did you tell me you saw a bird when we were shopping today? Where?
Outside when we were when we were at the shops.
What shops?
Out the
You saw a bird.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of birds out there.
I just saw one.
I'm so confused, yo.
Why?
Because this is on a random one. That is. Did I tell you I saw a bird today? You can see birds every day.
Yeah.
Is it a special bird?
No, it was just blue. And I like the color blue.
Nice. Dope. What? What?
Nothing.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
What's so funny?
I'm just laughing at you being confused.
I'm still thinking about it. You act like you never seen a bird before.
No. I'm not acting like I never seen a bird, but I just wanted to let you know that I saw a blue one today.